Every battle I may lose, days when I gave up on you, you make beautiful. See all things together are working forever. A beautiful plan for me. So make me beautiful, make over my soul, till the whole world knows you make everything beautiful. Everybody waits for you, and we set the stage for you. Now we pray that you come through and make us beautiful. Change every part of me, parts that only you can see. In you is where I want to be. So I'll be beautiful. Each color you're painting, you are creating a beautiful plan for me. So make me beautiful, make over my soul, who I was before. Got lost in my own light, knocked down every door. Let me see more, till the whole world knows you make everything beautiful.
Let's go. Father, help us to remember that we are in the middle of being remodeled. But you just don't want a few rooms. You want the whole house. But you can't heal what we don't reveal. So we need to,
Give him everything.
yes,
Call each one by name. He can make it beautiful.
give them your dreams.
Things you've thrown away and every mistake.
Those two,
Watch him make it beautiful.
watch him.
Things you cannot change, things you can't erase. He can make them beautiful.
They cost him something,
See the cost was high, paid it with his life.
'cause he was up to
We
something.
can